Good day everyone, Alice here from Safi Financial Network. Today is December 6, 2022. Okay, here is another daily analysis. I just post this video just a bit later today. It's 9:36 p.m. evening time, Pacific time, and unfortunately I was not able to post this video earlier. Anyway, so here is S&P daily chart. Market is coming down nicely as we expected. Market just engulfed this 410 level, 4010 level, so 4010, which is very important level. Still, I'm just looking for this one to bounce to this level. However, the important thing happened today. Just let me zoom in here. Here is the pivotal point, which a Powell pivot rally, I would call it. This is a rally based on Powell words last week, and today another 4 consecutive days coming down. Today we just engulfed this, nicely shadowing up to the upside just last I think hour, trading hours today. Just the market reversing back up just because short traders just closed their position. Nothing has been changed in overall. Still we are in downtrend, and technically market reacted very well. So this is a very technical perspective. As you see here, this is high in December 31st, almost like a January, December 31st, 2021. Here's another high, 28th of March, 2022. The third one, August high, which was very significant rally. And right now we went down to a lower low. Market just carved it up to another high, and this could be a December high, which is November 30th, and December high was the high for the market. So cycle works fantastically. So right now we are coming back to the downtrend. Lots of people are saying we're still moving on to seasonality bullish side of the market, Santa Claus rally or anything like that. So we should see. Again, I was expecting a significant high in early December, which happened, and sure enough, there is a good symmetry within the market. As you see, the price action works fantastically. So it's purely technical. It's simple technical, I would say. It's not even difficult. So everyone knows that this is a trend line, and this is just the bear market starting last year. Even if we break out this trend line, it doesn't mean that it changed the dynamic. As long as we are below this, and if you follow my weekly analysis, because I covered bigger time frames as well, so I mentioned that as long as we are below SMA 20 monthly chart, we are in bear market, and that's simple as that. So tomorrow probably we will see a bounce, and this bounce would be important just because if there would be a big bounce, then we should say this is just a bounce or dead cat bounce within this within this drop, sorry. But I would say probably tomorrow we are coming down to test this level, and then we will have a bounce probably next week. Why? Because if you go to 4-hour chart, there you go, 4-hour chart. So pretty nice working out, right? So we talked about this. If we break out this level, we are coming down to this level to exactly market just works 3,925. So this is a GAN level, and market just reversing back up. Lots of support here. This is the last tranche for the bulls in S&P 500. This is a Fed pivot rally or pivot rally, and as you see here, we just engulf it. We are coming back up to test this level, and probably there's going to be another shorting opportunity. We are coming back to test this fantastic, important, dynamic trend line here. So this is very important. So here's the dynamic trend line, and if it break down below this, then I would say market is coming back down all the way to 3,775 level, and this is very, very decisive moment for the market, because if we take out this pivot low, we are coming back all the way down to here to test this double bottom. So this is a 4-hour chart, and let's go to 1-hour chart, because that one is based on our trading, and this is very, very important, just because this demand area didn't work out, and right now this area would be a strong resistance, I would say strong supply. Just this one was a technical demand area. When it doesn't work, this means this is just, we call it as a ignored zone. So ignored zone means, in supply demand course, means this is just a rally or drop could happen, and that would be just the stop hunting. So what do I mean? Like this area was institutional level, as like a short squeeze going all the way up to here to just stop hunt all short people, like all those people who have short position, they will be stopped out. And right now market is coming back down, doesn't have any reaction. This is very, very important. Doesn't have any reaction. So if you just draw a rectangular here, this is the area. And as you see here, market is coming down without any bounce. And right now, just the market had a bounce to the level that we show yesterday. If you see yesterday analysis, I told you market is getting back to this level, and that would be decisive moment for the market, right? So I would say probably this area would be a good area for taking a profit of your short position, or even if you want a long. So make sure that this one is coming down to this level. And fair enough, we had exactly the same level, like market reacted fantastically going up, and right now I would say this is going to be another short opportunity, because I know that this is going to be late, but would we pretty tight stop probably above this bar, that would be a good level for short. And let me go to my Nasdaq trade, just because I post Nasdaq trade today, just right now before sending out this analysis. So here is the Nasdaq chart, and as you know, we just shorted there and we hit our fourth target. This is our first target, and second one was somewhere here. I just deleted that one. The third one was here, and the fourth one was here. So I just moved this one, and just I pick another short position here, pretty tight stop above this bar. So if market engulfs this area and hit this white line and then goes above it, so the dynamic has been changed, absolutely has been changed. But I would say if market just stopped me out from this level, I would take a short position if you're still below this white line. So that's my strategy, and still I'm just looking for more downside, and probably the downside would be here, as I said, 400. And let me just clean this stuff because I don't need this. Yeah, I need this one because I need to see if price is coming back down below 11,500. But anyway, so this Nasdaq chart actually tells me, let me just zoom out a bit. So here is the demand area, and this demand area has been tested once, twice, 3 times, and now we are coming back to this demand area, and this is 4th time, right? So Nasdaq works to this demand area. It just impacted this price here, so we had a nice bounce, but this bounce would be a dead cat bounce, just because it didn't work out in S&P 500. So I would say when a demand area works for one and it doesn't work for another one, that's going to be a sign of weakness, not of strength. So I would say a market is coming down probably if we take out this pivot, and this is very, very important. If we take out this pivot, then 11,192 would be a fair possibility here, this box, and that would be a decisive moment again for Nasdaq, because if this one doesn't work or doesn't hold price, market is coming down all the way below or sub 11,000, and that would be great opportunity there to see if market has a bounce, or we can just take our all short profit here and waiting for market reaction. Okay, so we are just going day by day. We are just moving on 1 hour by 1 hour, and based on a bigger scale or bigger time frame, the one that I show you in weekly analysis, we are going and narrowing down into smaller time frame to see if it works properly or not. So that's our strategy. We are coming from the higher time frame to see what is the higher time frame is telling us, and then we can move on to the lower time frame to take our position or trade. Okay, so if you like this video, please smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and see you on the chart tomorrow with another daily analysis. Have a good one, folks. See you on the chart. Bye bye.